Neurodivergent people experience lower productivity, higher fatigue, and digital exclusion. So, we have tried to tackle the problem using our solution, NeuroAdapt.
NeuroAdapt because it is a lightweight office add-in that works in the background to anonymously track the interaction pattern, and our backend engine analyzes this pattern to identify the cognitive pain point in real time. So the result, a dynamically personalized UI that simplifies toolbars, hides distraction, and applies sensor-friendly themes. So, by reducing the cognitive load, NeuroAdapt transfers a stressful workspace into a focused and productive environment where everyone can thrive.
Okay, so the next one is system architecture. So simply say, this system works as a smart helper on inside Microsoft Word. The word adding reads the next local analysis, understand it, and secure API safety connect to the Azure AI. So Azure AI handles the heavy thinking like text analysis and install only what is needed, keeping everything fast and secure. And basically the next one is our privacy security analytics. So simply the user trust is our priority. We do not permanently store raw text, everything works with user consent and all data is encrypted. The system follows GDPR rules and uses ethical AI practices to avoid bias and ensure accessibility. So simply the next one is expected impact. So basically, what is the impact of this project in our day life or in our AI? So simply said, this solution helps create inclusive workplaces, reduce mental fatigue, especially for neurodivergent users, improves overall productivity, and aligns perfectly with Microsoft accessibility goals.
NeuroAdapt is distributed through Microsoft App Source for seamless adoption within Microsoft Word. Supported by B2B partnership with enterprises and universities, we drive early traction through accessibility-focused marketing and pilot programs with neurodivergent communities to validate impact and scale adoption. Target market and opportunity. With 15 to 20% of the global population being neurodivergent and hundreds of millions of Microsoft users, NeuroAdapt address a massive and undeserved market. Rising demands for inclusive and accessibility first productivity tools positions NeuroAdapt at the intersection of accessibility where adoption is accelerating globally.
Now let's talk about the MVP features of NeuroAdapt. Our MVP is built as a Microsoft 365 add-in, and I'll briefly walk you through its key features. We begin with Phase 1, the Microsoft Word add-in. NeuroAdapt works directly inside Microsoft Word, allowing users to enable the add-in based on their needs. This is important because it addresses challenges such as mental overload, distractions, and loss of focus, right where users spend most of their working time. Next is focus mode. Focus mode highlights only the paragraph or section the user is currently working on while dimming the rest of the content. This reduces distractions, supports deep concentration, and helps lower mental tiredness during long writing sessions. The third feature is toolbar simplification. Unused tools are automatically hidden and only essential functions are highlighted. By reducing visual clutter in the Word interface, users experience a cleaner and calmer workspace, which improves focus and productivity. We also introduce sensory safe themes. NeuroAdapt provides options such as dark mode, high contrast themes, and reduced animations. These features improve visual comfort and support users who experience eye strain, sensory overload, or digital burnout from extended screen time. Another important feature is anonymous interaction tracking. NeuroAdapt collects only strictly anonymous usage data. This allows us to improve adaptive features and personalization over time without collecting any personal or identifiable information, ensuring privacy and user trust. To conclude, NeuroAdapt's MVP focuses on creating a healthier and more focused digital work environment. Starting with Microsoft Word, it offers a scalable foundation for future expansion across the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. Thank you for your time and attention.